today I am going to make cauliflower pepper fry. For masala I have taken 150 grams of small onions, 1 red chili, 1 teaspoon of peppercorn, 1 teaspoon of jeera. Now if you have pepper powder or if you have jeera powder like cumin powder, you can directly add it, but since I want to make it fresh I have taken whole spices. Now for the cauliflower I have like 1 medium sized cauliflower, 50 grams of onions chopped finely, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, saunf a little, and curry leaves a few, and I have like 6 cloves of garlic, and I have like 2 teaspoons of ghee and oil for frying, and then water a little to cook. Now we are going to start grinding all this. So first I am going to take our onions, and I'm going to add a red chili, jeera, and the pepper, and we are going to grind this to a very smooth paste. Now I have grinded this, so you can see like it has become a paste. So you should have something of this consistency. So our masala is ready. Now I'm going to heat up the pan and add oil. So I have taken like around 20 ml of oil, and now I'm going to let it heat first a little bit, and now I'm going to add the mustard seeds. So let it crackle, and then we'll add our saunf. So you can see it's crackling. Now I'm going to add the saunf, and we are just going to let it fry a bit. And now I will add the garlic cloves. So it's chopped. Saute it well, like it should have a little bit nice golden color to it. So you can see like it's turning little bit brown. So now I am going to add our chopped onions and saute. It should become translucent, like and it should turn like light pink in color. So keep frying it, and the raw smell should also go. So until then keep cooking. You can see like it's starting to change color, and now I'm going to add our curry leaves. Fried it for a minute. Now I'll add our cauliflower. Yeah, make sure you don't smash the cauliflower. I'm going to sprinkle water a little bit now, and then we will cover and cook it for a minute. It's been a minute, so keep doing this like every minute, like close it for a minute and cook it, and then again stir it and then cover and cook again for a minute, so until it gets cooked properly. So you can see here it's getting like it's halfway cooked. So I'm going to just add don't mash it, like just lightly over the top. You can just stir it. You can see here like this is cooked very well. You can see the color has changed. Now that one is not cooked, this has cooked properly. So keep doing it. Now it is cooked completely. So I have cooked it for like around 5 minutes it's taken me. And now to this I'm going to add our masala paste and salt. So first I'm mixing the masala paste. Now I'm adding the salt. So you can add like according to your taste. So I have taken around like quarter teaspoon of salt, And now I'm going to add the ghee. Like, it gives a very nice aroma to it when you add the ghee. And just mix it a little, let it cook in the heat with the masala. Like you can see here. Now if you want, you can add like turmeric powder to give it a different color, but this itself, like along with the pepper, has a very nice color to it, so I'm not adding any turmeric powder or anything. You can see, just mix it little bit, don't mash it, just lightly flip it and cook. Now all the oil should start separating from it. Like you can see the oil is separating in the corners of the pan. So when it has come to that point, it means that our cauliflower has cooked completely. You can see. I'm going to turn off the heat now and transfer. Our cauliflower pepper fry is now ready. Do watch and try this recipe out. It's very easy and very tasty also. Thank you for watching.